Today we're going to be putting on an electric fan system on this 86 C10. It's been kind of overheating lately. I guess the old radiator's got a leak in it or something. Yeah, we missed part 2. The drop's done. I'll get that edited up and show you guys. But so here's the one he went with. All aluminum radiator. It's got 2 electric fans on the back side. Get you guys a better angle later, but it's got the 305, and we're going to use the tap on the thermostat housing to control the fans. First, we're going to start off by taking the fan shroud while we're letting it cool down a bit. Now we're going to go ahead and take the fan clutch off. So we got 4 1/2-inch nuts holding it on here. Then we'll get the lower shroud off. So once we get done taking that off, the coolant will probably be cool enough for us to drain it. Once we got the fan shroud out of the way, we're going to go ahead and drain the pitcock. As you can see where this radiator was leaking. Got the transcooler lines out, heater return, the upper radiator hose. Pretty much ready to lift it out. This little skinny radiator. Piece of shit. It's a leak right there. Oh, it's broken right there. Damn. Alright, so we're finally at the wiring step. Managed to get the temp sensor right here. Just T-tap into that. Run it all the way across, that's what I'm saying. So we got our harness finished up. We got it tapped in over there to the wiper motor. Hopefully that works. Filling it up with water first, make sure we don't have any leaks. Got our sensor right there. I'm gonna go ahead and go take it on a test drive. They've already cycled on and off, so they're doing what we need them to do.